Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the language in your GoCardless account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to GoCardless.com and hit on enter right now. Now what I want to do first of all is log in. Here's the login button right here, click on login. Now simply enter your credentials. Now click on sign in. Now as you can see, we have successfully logged in to our account. Now let's look at how to change the language. On the top right, you will find the settings. Simply click on the settings button and scroll down, and right under your email, you will find something called as user settings. Simply click on the user settings button. Again, let's scroll down. And you will find something like language preferences. Right under this tab, you will find this drop down button. If you press on this button right here, you will be given lots of languages to choose from. For instance, I'm gonna select this one, and if you are satisfied with it, simply click on Save Changes. And there you have it. That's how you change the language in your GoCardless account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.